Hello everyone. Hope all are doing good. So guys, I'm on live, so come first. I just want to give a news. Hello everyone. So guys, first of all, thank you so much to give a love to my trailer Mona Home Delivery, and दो टीजर आ चुके हैं उसमें से. So thank you so much for your love. Or it's getting really viral. I know it's a bit bold, but it's fine. I'm an actor and I really have to do it because when script demands something, I have to do it, right? Because I'm an actor. So thank you so much इतना प्यार देने के लिए. हर जगह पे वो वायरल हो रहा है and people are just sending me. I know थोड़ा सा bold है, dialogues are bold. So I hope you guys gonna take it in a positive way. And मुझे इस तरीके से ही encourage करते रहो so that I can give you best things and I can entertain you guys. Thank you so much. Any question regarding Mona Home Delivery? So you can ask me, guys. Manik Rohit, hi. Gaurav, sure. Thank you. Hargun Singh Kalra, hi. Sahil, hi. नो इट्स नॉट रिलीज्ड. सिर्फ 2 क्लिप्स आई हैं इसकी अभी तक. एक तो थोड़ा सा छोटा सा टीजर आया है एंड आई एम श्योर इट्स गोना रिलीज इन 3 to 4 days. दैट्स फॉर श्योर. आदिल खान, हाय. Chandrasekhar, hi, hello. So did you guys like it? I'm sure you guys liked it. Mehboob, thank you so much. Love from India. Bollywood YouTube पर आ रही है. No, it's not on YouTube. It's on Ulu app. Ulu app सब लोग डाउनलोड करो प्लीज एंड let me know the experience after watching Mona Home Delivery. Rahul, thank you so much. कन्नू, that's my nickname. हाँ, आपके फेस को क्या हुआ है? क्या हुआ है मेरे फेस को? Well, actually it's been 1 month and I was just outdoor. I was shooting. So just Samarth, Mona कब आ रहे हैं? Just in 3 to 4 days. Arup Kumar, you should wear that strip dress. Dear, that was an acting and that's my work. So please don't comment on that. I really respect you guys. So I will request no bad comments. बिकॉज जब एक एक्टर काम करता है तो उसके दिमाग में बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं और आप लोगों को उस चीज़ को अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए. बिकॉज एक नॉर्मल लाइफ में और एक स्क्रीन के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस होता है. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा गट्स चाहिए होते हैं करने के. तो प्लीज़ उसको अप्रिशिएट. सो सॉरी देयर वाज सम कॉल. तो आप सब लोग प्लीज़ उसको अप्रिशिएट करो. बिकॉज एक जजमेंट पास करना और उस चीज़ को डीपली सोचना बहुत डिफरेंस होता है और बहुत डिफरेंट होता है. तो आई होप यू गाइज अंडरस्टैंड. विदाउट मेकअप लाइक कैट. Yeah, I always, like, most of the time I'm without makeup only, and if you like it and if you don't, that's your problem. I can't be every time in makeup. I just prefer to be without makeup all the time. Max I can. Bullet Raja, you are my dream. Thank you so much. Mridul, say my name. Yes, Mridul. Vishal Tomar, hi. तो किस किसने टीजर देखा? Can you please let me know? And Mridul, yes, I have said. Highly appreciated. Thanks for sharing, Kangana. Thank you so much, Ashad. It means a lot. Tayyab Raz. Thank you so much. Yeah, love from Pakistan. Sorry, love from India as well. Assalamu alaikum, Syed. Hemu. Okay, so did you like it, Hemu? Okay. Please see, please. That Adil Khan मैंने देखा. Okay. Harish, hi. Sharon, hi. हाँ टिकटॉक पे मेरे 3.3 मिलियंस हो चुके हैं एंड आई विल अप्रिशिएट इफ यू गाइस गिव मी मोर फॉलोवर because I always believe in organic, as on Instagram also all followers are organic. I don't buy followers. Hi Karan, how are you? Faizu Sheikh, thank you Faizu. Nasir Mirza, कुछ नजर नहीं आ रहा. Show some idiot. Black Shadow, hi Black Shadow. आप लोग किस किस नाम से प्रोफाइल बनाते हो? Sometimes I don't understand. Any which ways. Karan, hi Karan. I'm good. आज मैं थोड़ा सा फ्री थी, so I thought I should talk to you guys and share about upcoming things. So just doing 2 to 3 short films and one more web series for Netflix also, because Netflix nowadays Netflix is number 1. Karan Henry, how was the shoot? Shoot was really great यार. 2-3 गाने भी रिलीज होने वाले हैं. अभी जस्ट जॉनी सेठ के साथ भी किया है, वो भी जल्दी रिलीज हो जाएगा. एंड सबसे पहले अभी जस्ट एक मैंने कॉमेडी शो भी किया है. प्रोड्यूसर मनोज सबरवाल एंड पूरी टीम को थैंक यू सो मच, बिकॉज पंजाब में बहुत प्यार मिला. और थैंक यू सो मच मनोज जी. आपने जिस तरीके से सारा काम और सब चीज़ों को संभाला, दैट वाज appreciable. I will appreciate it. So, hello man, we are just wake up. Yeah, I just woke up. Karan, chalo, leaving for Andheri. See you soon. Wow. People are eagerly waiting for Scared Games 2. Secret Games 2. Okay. Hardik Prakash Bhatia. Hi. तो पंजाब में भी बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा. और लकी सबरवाल, राहुल सबरवाल, गिफ्टी जी, पूरी गिफ्टी टीम, पूरी मनोज की टीम, मिंटो, बलराज एंड एवरीवन, थैंक्स टू यू ऑल, बिकॉज इट वाज सच अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस. एंड आई थिंक जो सब निकल के आ रहा है वो बहुत अच्छा आने वाला है. यू आर लकी हु हैड अ चांस टू वर्क विद हिम. Yes, I'm lucky. With whomsoever I do work, I am just so much lucky that I'm getting work with good people. Arif Khan, hi. When is Mona home delivery releasing? That's going to release like in 2 to 3 days max. Till 21st, 22nd, I hope for the best. Finger cross. Ashik Malik. Hi. It's so hot, yaar. In Mumbai, it's raining, but still, I'm feeling so hot. Dhanesh, hi. Just getting calls, sorry. Ghost Rider, hi. Athar Chaudhary, hi. Gagan Kapoor, hello. King, please take my name. Yeah. Namaskar. खान आशु यार, आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्यूट हो. थैंक यू सो मच आशु. Sumit Terry, will you be out in Bollywood movie? When will you come in Bollywood films? Inshallah, and by God grace, soon you gonna watch me. See, every good things takes time, and I'm sure something good gonna happen, because that's with everyone. Prashant, hi, I'm good. Yash Bhardwaj, you're so cute, Kangna. Love you a lot. Thank you. Love you too, guys. Being Gaurav, hi. Gurjot, hi. आजकल टिकटॉक को ज्यादा फेमस नहीं हो रहा है. विवेक, हाय. देखो, आप जिन सबको आप स्क्रीन पे देखते हो, दैट्स नॉट अ रियल लाइफ ऑफ फॉर एनीवन एंड ऑफ एवरीवन, एनीवन. सो किसी भी चीज को देख के और उसको जज करना नॉट गुड. एंड आई होप जो भी आप स्क्रीन पे देखते हो या फिर जो आप पिक्चर्स में देखते हो, you should appreciate that, because that takes a lot of guts. And if we are here just because of our guts, so you should appreciate it. If you guys, any of you, if you will do it, I will appreciate and everyone will appreciate. So I hope better things should be good and you should appreciate, because this is the me, real me in front of you guys. There is no making or there is no show off or any kind of things. If I am without makeup, I come in front of you guys, and I don't think twice to come in front of you like this, because this is me. You have to accept it, and if you can't, then please don't watch me. Bharat, hi. Vikas, hi. So guys, anything else that you want to ask me about upcoming things or about Mona? Abid Khan, hi. Love from Islamabad, hi. Love from Mumbai. Chocolatey, thank you. Asar Siddiqui, thank you so much. Yeah, that's not about makeup or without makeup. Makeup not gonna change your personality. Makeup not gonna change your behavior. So that's okay. Sohan Qureshi, hi. So guys, that's it. I just wanted to come in front of you on live and just wanted to chat, as I'm getting calls. So we'll call you guys. Sorry, we'll talk to you guys soon, when it's going to release, or when I'll get the teaser. So thank you so much for your time and your patience as well. See you super soon. Bye. Enjoy.